Right here.
Oh, look. Here it is.
That's not bad. Look at this. From view. What do you think, Nut? Yeah, too much of this in Texas, do they? All right, come on. That's cool.
What happened? It's all right. Come on.
Come on. Let's go.
Everything's bigger chicken fried today.
Nah.
And that paloma looks good.
Oh, look. They got lobster
Go
rolls.
run through it.
Go
Real
run
quick.
through
Go
it.
cool off.
Go run through it. Go.
I'll let you run
Do
through
it.
Yeah.
Go, Biggin.
Go cool off. Hurry.
Go. Go, go. Look what they got. Morning catch lobster rolls.
Oh, that's what it was. Now, I'll eat a lobster roll. How much
I know
is
you
it by
will.
itself?
$12. We'll get one. Oh no, it says redemption. I'm sorry. It's probably way more than that.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. I've had one or two of those lately, and the Italian beef.
Oh, mouth water looking at that. I do. Here's a biscuit jar. Their water actually tastes good. You want to taste it? I filled up my Gatorade. Oh, look at that. Hey, bear ham.
That's funny. Love it. I've seen the real one now, and now I've seen the fake one.
The berry version.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're good. Trying to get your camera.
No, it's okay. It's 360. It's recording everything. It's recording you right now, actually. Yeah. Look at all the paint up there. How cool is that?
Hold on, this door is on because she left me on the floor. What? No. Maybe. Well, not there's mine in.
Damn.
Go down there. Alright guys, let's move. Mom's gotta move.
Alright guys.
What do you think, Nat?
It's on gold. It's on the gold.
Go give it to Grammy. She's been wanting to do this. Go give it to Grammy real quick. Come on, let's go show her. Grammy's been wanting to do this so bad.
Oh, wow.
They don't need it no more. He's got it right there. Give it to her.
Look what he got.
Give it to Grammy.
Oh, man.
Give it to Grammy. That's a gift for Grammy.
All right, thank you.
We find rocks all the
Sure
time.
can. You want one of them?
Nope, that's you.
Look at that. I can find more.
Come on, let's go look at the rest of this and we'll come back.
I'll have to put that where I can keep it.
I don't know where you can keep it, but
Put it in your pocket.
yeah, that'd be the only way. Maybe.
She's up there.
Is that up there? That's right in front of you.
Let's go with it. Oh, see her? Oh, there you go.